What's up, people? Project Nature back again for the most recent Yu-Gi-Oh! Booster Box opening. The High Speed Riders. And I've got this at the beginning of the month and it's almost the end of the month, so you should stop screwing around and finally open this thing. So I'm going to take my trusty box cutter and try and open this thing without wrecking it too hard. Here we are. There's an image. Alright, plastic. By the way, if you guys are interested in seeing any more other new content, make sure to like and subscribe or sub to my Twitch channel or YouTube where this is going to be uploaded. And check out my older videos of the 2015 Megatins I just opened. And here we are, High Speed Riders Booster Box. 24 pack opening. Let's not waste any time and get right into it. There we go. I'm going to move the packs over here. I apologize in advance for the glare. This is actually the middle of the day when I'm recording this, which is very new for me. I'll try to make adjustments to, compensate for that in the future. But let us start with our very first pack opening of the day. We've got Silent Psychic Wizard, Hushed Psychic Cleric, Future Glow, Supercharge, our first Speedroid, Razorang, Speed Recovery, Psyframe Gear Alpha. Ooh, a reprint of Compulse. Ignore that Skype. I could have swore I set it to be quiet. What the hell happened there? Maybe it was not Skype, maybe it was Steam. I'm gonna mute that. Alright, that's done. Reprint of Compulse and Speedroid Tri-Eyed Dice. That's interesting. There's gonna be a lot of Speedroid monsters in here, I know. Second pack, let's not waste time because I already screwed up with the Steam thing. Once again, we have Future Glow, Red Cocoon, Speedroid Double Yo-Yo, Mystical Space Typhoon, Dice Roll Battle. Oh my god. Black Rose Moonlight Dragon. That's pretty nice. Chain Resonator, Armoroid, and Expressroid. Third pack, we have... What is that? I think it's Synchron Resonator, but it's spelled Synchron wrong. I don't know. Future Glow. Oh my god. Even though it's a common, I got the Red Dragon Archfiend. That was my Jack Atlas. You like my Jack Atlas? Yeah, I get it. It's bad. Wow. A common Red Dragon Archfiend. That makes 4 of the 5 Ds that I have now. Speedroid Ohajikid? It's Speedroid. Oh, this card. This is the card that makes Speedroids. It's the Speedroid Red-Eyed Dice. This is the one that makes the Synchros. Psychic Overlord, Vice Dragon. Got one of these already. It's pretty good. Psyframe Gear Alpha, and Psychokinesis. Already got a couple of really good cards out of this, or at least I think they're good. Might just be fan cards, service cards to me. I just realized that I've been stacking all my cards wrong. Again, I do this sometimes. I apologize. I'm gonna put my rares over on this side. Also put my plus cards over there. Cards that I would think are good. That should be all the things. Alright. Our next set, we have another Synchron Resonator, Krebons, Frame Gear Epsilon, Shock Supreme, rare, Speedroid Terratop, Speedroid Menko, Psychokinesis, Speedroid Tri Dice, and Resonator Call. Oh, shoot. Red Dragon Archfiend is a common. That means it's gotta be a short print or something. Alright, next pack. Krebons, Epsilon, Red Cocoon, Double Yo-Yo. Oh boy. Our first High Speedroid Synchro Monster, High Speedroid Kendama. And Speedroid Take Tomborg. Interesting. I think this could be a really good card. I might be wrong, but it could be. Serene Psychic Witch, Psychic Overlord, and Cardi, common. But still, Cardis, I see them frequently in Slager's videos. Good draw power. Alright, next one. We've got Synchro Cracker. It is not a cracker. Interesting. Supercharge. Frame Gear Epsilon. Another common Red Dragon Archfiend. I'm starting to think it's not a short print. Frame Circuit. Ooh. Synchro Monster. Frame Lord Zeta. Resonator Call. Speedroid Tri Dice. And Cardi. Okay, these are definitely not short prints. But they're still good draw power, I think. They're still decent cards enough. Speaking of commons, we see a lot. Oh boy, yep, I am sure of it now. First of all, Mystical Space Typhoon, and of course, and once again, Red Dragon Archfiend. We are seeing way too many of these. I might just have to start piling them with the rest of the stuff. Anyway, Supercharge, a rare dice roll battle. Dice roll battle? Yeah, dice roll battle. Already have one of those. Frame Gear Beta. Good. Red Resonator. See this one. Really nice. Compulse. Vice Dragon. Armoroid. Ooh, there's a lot of cards to bunch up. I'm going to place them over on this side of the thing. I just realized that these cards are not in sight. I'm making a lot of bad errors here today. I'm trying to fix it. Here are the commons that I've got a bunch of duplicates of. While I open into the next pack. Here we go. We have Red Cocoon, Future Glow, Silent Psychic Wizard, Frame Gear Delta, Red Sprinter, Resonator Call, Serene Psychic Witch, Expressroid, Cardi. Step. Supercharge. Speedroid Double Yo-Yo. Hush Psychic Cleric. Psyframe Driver. A normal monster, but also a rare of some kind. Emergency Teleport. Great card. Expressroid. Red Resonator. Resonator Call. Chain Resonator. A lot of resonators in here. That's good. Paco. That's Japanese for next pack. It's not really Japanese for next pack. Red Cocoon. Krebons. Silent Psychic Wizard. Dark Resonator. Psyframe Overload. Speedroid Taketomboard. Psychokinesis. Compulse. Serene Psychic Witch. Mystical Space Typhoon. Synchro Cracker. Dark Resonator. Psyframe Gear Delta. Speedroid Terratop. Compulse. Triad Dice. Vice Dragon. Speedroid Menko. A lot of these cards down here are reprints. I should have put the MSTs and Compulses in there too, but I didn't realize. Doesn't matter, I guess. Synchro Resonator. Red Cocoon. Future Glow. Silent Psychic Wizard. A reprint rare of Pot of Duality. And a hot Red Dragon Archfiend. Fresh out the pack. This card, I saw what this did in Arc 5. It beat Yuya on the third turn of the duel. It did amazing, and I've got it. It's cool. That's awesome. Thank you. Booster pack. Booster box. Speedroid Menko. Expressroid. Psychokinesis. I can make a Jack Atlas deck after I make my Yugo deck. I've already got 3 of the Clearwing Synchro Dragons. Hush Psychic Cleric. Synchron Resonator. Future Glow. Another Red Dragon Archfiend. Oh boy. Speedroid Razorang. I just threw Red Dragon Archfiend on top of hot Red Dragon Archfiend. And, oh my goodness. Stardust Spark Dragon. I did not have this one. This is awesome card. Psychic Overlord. Vice Dragon. Psyframe Gear Alpha. Gather up these cards. Give a second to try and step these neatly. Alright. Next pack. Hushed Psychic Cleric. Red Cocoon. Psygear Epsilon. Frame Gear Epsilon. Shock Surprise. Ooh. Mirror Resonator. Serene Psychic Witch. Psychic Overlord. Cardee. Frame Gear Alpha. We have Synchro Cracker, Dark Resonator, Synchron Resonator, High Speed The High Speed Droid Kendama, Red Eye Dice, Armoroid, Psychic Overlord, or, yeah, Psychic Overload, I mean. Triad Dice, and Menko, again. I'm gonna go gather up these and put them over on the side. These have piled up high pretty well. Alright, got just a few packs left. I count them, but I think, yep, 8 packs to go. So I'll move the case, the box to the side. And ready up. Here we are. Final 8. Let's start up with this pack. And rounding off the top 5, 8. Shut up. Mystical Space Typhoon, Red Dragon Archfiend, Synchro Cracker, Dark Resonator, Psyframe Overload, E-Telly, Resonator Call, Frame Gear Alpha, Serene Psychic Witch. Krebons, MST, Archfiend, Red Carpet. Red Carpet? Wait, what? Oh, this is good. This is for getting out the other Dragon Archfiend thingies. That's good. Ooh, Psyframe Lord Omega. Omega, I think that's the last one. But, yeah. Speaking of which, Frame Gear Alpha, Card E, Chain Resonator, Compulse. Next up, Serene Psychic Witch, Speedroid Double Yo-Yo, Epsilon, Krebons, Shock Surprise, another Black Rose Moonlight Dragon, nice, Speedroid Menko, Psychokinesis, Speedroid Tri Dice. Now we're on the top, last 5. We got Psychic Witch, Double Yo-Yo, Epsilon, Razorang, Speed Recovery, Expressroid, Vice Dragon, Psychokinesis, Psychic Overload. These up, throw them in a pile, make them all nice and neat. Synchro Cracker, Dark Resonator, Supercharge, Speedroid Double Yo-Yo, Red Carpet, ooh, Goyo Predator. I saw this card too. It's pretty good, new Goyo card. It's not Goyo Defender though. I don't know if that comes with this, but still, it should be alright. Red Resonator, Resonator Call, Chain Resonator. Hushed Psychic Cleric, Future Glow, Supercharge. Oh boy. This, on top of a Red Dragon Archfiend monster. Oh man. It's what I think it is. The Red Nova Dragon. This monster requires 2 tuners and a Red Dragon Archfiend. This card gains 500 attack for each tuner monster in your graveyard. Cannot be destroyed by opponent's card effects. When an attacking monster declares an attack, you can target the attacking monster, banish this card, and if you do, negate the attack. Holy crap. This card is OP. OP as hell. And it's awesome. And to follow up, I've got a Red Wyvern, too. Red Wyvern, Red Dragon Archfiend, Hot Red Dragon Archfiend, and Red Nova Dragon. These are all new Red Dragon Archfiend red monsters that I've gotten just today from this one thing. Alright, Psychokinesis, Armoroid, Chain Resonator, and Red Resonator. Hush Psychic Collar, Red Cocoon, Psyframe Gear Epsilon, MST, another rare Pot of Duality, another rare Black Rose Moonlight Dragon, Vice Dragon, Speedroid Menko, and Expressroid. We're on the final pack now, final stretch. Let's get this ready to finish up. Let's hope for something amazing. Can we pull something awesome out of here? Here we go. Red Cocoon, Speedroid Double Yo-Yo, Silent Psychic Wizard, Psyframe Driver, another Hot Red Archfiend. I'd say that is a win. That is a win. I will take it. That is a win right there. Psyframe Gear Alpha, Serene Psychic Witch, Speedroid Menko, and Expressroid. These are all the cards I've gotten out of the High Speed Riders booster box that I've opened up. Yeah. So, this all of them. This pile right here represents rares. They got quite a few. I mean, 24 was expected, but I know I got more than that, like over 30. And a bunch of good commons, a lot of MSTs, which I can add to decks, and a lot of card Ds, which can be added to decks for more draw power. And a lot of Red Dragon Archfiends, which are just a little bit overkill, but I guess that's still pretty cool. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you next month, or next time we get a new card pack, and we can open it together. Till then, this is Project Nature signing out. I don't really have a hand gesture to give you. So...